This video will introduce the tag pipe slope command, which is available in vDesign. It is this icon right here with a little tag kind of pointing to a slope. And the point of this is to tag the slope of various pipes in your model. So when we open it up, there's just a couple options here. The first thing you're choosing is the slope format. So for those of us using inches and feet, we have inches per 10 foot with half inch, quarter inch, and eighth inch accuracy. So if we choose the half inch accuracy, it's going to round to the nearest half inch and so forth. So once we choose the type of tag we would like to use, we can either manual place or easy place. So we can manually place it, so it'll queue it for you to manually position where that tag actually is, or easy place just drops it in the center. So if I run the easy place option, you can see it will just tag starting at the center of the pipe that you pick on, the slope for that pipe, and you can see that in this instance they're all half inch per 10 foot because I'm using the half inch accuracy. If I were to use something like the eighth inch accuracy, I'll get a different value here because these are actually a quarter inch, but these ones up here are a half inch per 10 foot. So pay attention to that accuracy depending on what you're looking to actually tag there. If you want to do the manual place, it's the same workflow. You just pick on the pipe you want to tag, and you just drop it in there however you'd like. It's just queuing up that tag for you to place. But it is a little bit more work. You could obviously come in and modify these other tags or kind of drag them around if you'd like as well. That introduces our tag pipe slope utility in vDesign.